Today is a good day. I got my H&S Mini Maxx Tuner delivery just now from the UPS driver. Ooh, look at that. So I'm gonna open this thing up and see what's going on. I guess we could watch. Set this up. That's it. Let's see. I gotta cut this too. Okay. It's mine now. So, get this out of the box. Let's see how this goes. Oh, can't do this one-handed. That's funny. They said this was small. I didn't think it was going to be this small. Pretty small. Are you kidding me? Look at that thing. Woohoo! That's tiny. Okay, so we got that. What else is in the box? Stuffing. Another little pack right here. Put this open. This is a suction mount. It's a whole nother box. Within the box. What's in this? Got the cables, USB cables? No, some kind of cables. There's the USB, and then the adapter port, and power, micro SD. Connectors for that, and a little sticky Velcro. So that's what's in the box of this H&S Performance Mini Maxx Performance for my 2014 F250 6.7 liter diesel Power Stroke.